Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, you will find out how to monitor internet speed with Speedtest by Ookla. If you're looking to learn and track your internet speed, then here's how you can easily do it by using Ookla Speedtest. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. First of all, go over to your internet browser and make sure you're connected to the internet connection you want to test. So go ahead and search for Ookla Speedtest on your Google browser or any other browser that you're using. From the following links, you'll need to click on the first link that says Speedtest by Ookla. Now you'll be directed to the main page of Ookla where you can test your internet speed. Here you'll see your internet IP address and it will find your internet server. Once ready, to get started, click on the Go button and it will start testing the internet speed with download speed first, so wait for it to finish. Once done testing the download speed, it will switch over to the upload speed. So let it happen, and once done, you'll be able to see the results of the test here. You can see the download and upload speeds, and also the ping rate of your internet. You'll see all the details about your internet like the IP, region, etc. If you want to double check, go ahead and click this Go button to restart the test. You can click on this Results tab in order to see the history of your internet speed tests to keep a record over the speed of your internet of the past month or year. You can switch between download and upload, and also you can see just web results from here. Scroll down, and you'll see the detailed review of your recent internet speed test results. And there you have it. That is how easily you can test your internet speed with Ookla in 2025. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, then make sure to subscribe and like this video.